Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your iPhone and Mac run supported versions, and sign into the same Apple ID so services sync. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both. Handoff lets apps move between devices. Once done, toggle iCloud Drive and Photos if you want file and photo continuity. Plug the iPhone to the Mac once to trust the machine. That initial USB trust step establishes a secure channel for later wireless use. Do it now so subsequent steps are seamless. Next, you activate the continuity features that let the iPhone work with the Mac. On the Mac, open System Settings and enable Handoff, AirDrop, and Universal Clipboard. This allows copy-paste and app handoffs. On the iPhone, enable AirPlay and Handoff and allow calls on other devices if you want phone integration. If you prefer wired sync, open Finder, select your iPhone, and choose syncing or backup options. Make sure Bluetooth range is close. Continuity works best within a room, not across floors. Finally, you test and start using the integrated features. Open an email on your iPhone and continue on the Mac with Handoff. Copy text on one device and paste on the other with Universal Clipboard. Send a file with AirDrop. If something breaks, restart both devices and re-authenticate your Apple ID. This often clears permission glitches. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active and on the same network, and if wireless fails, reconnect the iPhone with a cable to restore trust and complete any pending syncs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.